We have Nazari, have Tariq, have
I already saw that.
Micah. Yeah, we have Braves. We can see how it goes. Hey, sorry to do this shoot.
Chef, my God, nasty. What the
Oh, bird already gone. Second bird. Bird already gone. Yeah, she is so quick. Come here, Jay. Come here, Jay. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah, Jay. Oh. Yeah, pick you up. AJ. Pick you up. AJ gone. AJ. AJ gone far though. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa, AJ. Winter get out, she start flying. AJ get out, he start flying. He went all around there. Keep going, thought he was flying off the parachute, but no, he called, he turned around. He come back and he landed. Ah, so close.
So close.
So close. Ready? AJ! Come. Good bird. Yeah, you're going better than I thought it would actually. I know Winter came back though.
Better let him get there.
AJ!
But then they're gonna be,
Good bird.
they're gonna probably be full train.
Shit, I got train she. I mean probably as far as possible. Go and meet these guys, AJ.
Good boy.
Alright, we're gonna try it with oat Winter here. That'll be up there. Are you ready? AJ? Play! AJ! Good bird! AJ! I put you too far down. It's sorry, bro. Ready? 3, 2. AJ! Good bird. He keep getting my hand here against his ice.
Feels so real.
Good bird. Good bird. Go. Ready? AJ! Good bird. Ready?
I can try with she.
AJ!
This short ain't caught, ain't gonna try to pick you up. Make sure it go on the wood case that take it out, baby.
You meet your grass.
Yes.
Got some redneck those over there. Very amazing birds.
We're gonna try to catch them. Sure, don't want to catch them.
A green heron! Oh my god. Wait, where it is?
Oh, right there.
Whoa. Where it going? Alright, AJ, turn around. Ready, AJ? 3, 2, 1, play! AJ, come. Good bird! Amazing job, buddy. Please, hey, today is just a short. Let me go, AJ. Let me go, AJ. Yeah, good bird. Come back now. AJ tired. AJ want to go free. But yeah, guys, that's the most I could get today. Come, AJ. Oh, into the trees. Look at that bird into the trees. Good job, buddy. Good job. Take a seed or two, you know. Alright, so yeah, guys, that's basically it for the free foot section. In a few minutes, I go up in pavilion and sit down and tell you guys the life for AJ and Winter if it included. But yeah, that's it for now. The AJ fly over a wall. It's a muddy yard. So we try and go and get, you know, we ask for directions. We get told to come here, so we can try. Alright, yeah, guys, I'm up there on the way. We're not ready to get you back. Alright, guys, you know, went through there. It was crazy. We asked this woman to check in the yard, but it was the yard opposite the house. And then she went in the neighbor's house. I guess she got permission to. AJ was on the ground, laying down, waiting for me to come free. We got back AJ. Then we gonna go back and see a friend or something there. I was hectic. I was scared to lose my job. But yeah, we got him back. He was there on the ground. I want myself a life. I thought she so, but yeah, it's just back. Alright, yeah, you could go on my finger now. I think we got enough for today.
I feel sit down right. So
Cause you don't want to get nobody shot.
Yeah.
Right. Hello. Get it? Hello, birds. And how? Yeah, it's voice over me because a lot of distraction was happening in this video. This part of the video specifically. So yeah, welcome to story time. Pay close attention cause I can go fast. So basically, my brother was given money for his birthday. He decided to buy his first bird. Apollo was his first bird. He got Apollo from Fest 2022 on May 29th. Shortly after Micah's birthday, we got AJ, which stands for Apollo Jr. By the way, my brother's name me Apollo Jr. AJ because I don't know the meaning of related. But yeah, we get AJ and his younger brother Cable. He only got 2 or 3 meals before he was eating on his own. Sadly, AJ was with us. When AJ was with us a week or two, his brother died. AJ was sad and lonely, but that is what made our bond so strong. That's what made AJ himself so strong. AJ was later paired up with Apollo, who later flew away. AJ was for the second time left alone. AJ was alone for a long period of time. That period of time took him from his childhood to his adulthood. During that period of time, AJ and I took our bond to the next level. Though AJ was Micah's bird, he never looked at him after he was fully independent. So yeah, one Saturday evening, Neon came into the picture. Neon was a female baby budgie, a green female baby budgie, who was shy and weak. AJ immediately took a liking to her as he did most things. He slowly bonded with Neon and started to change her. It was incredible really because the shy and weak little girl was now stepping onto my hand and eating from it. It was like having another AJ, just more fragile. After a few months, Neon began to grow weak again. Only this time her journey from strong to weak was way more rapid than her journey from weak to strong. AJ grew more and more worried each day as I did, so I changed her diet, no more vitamins, more minerals, more calcium, more vegetables. But her want for food lessened day by day. This was going on for a while. So I decided to check nest box. I was happy because she was in it because I was happy because I thought she had eggs. I thought I passed with this whole breeding thing, but AJ wasn't happy, so that kind of worried me. So I checked again, and her health was at its lowest point. Its absolute lowest point. I'm having difficulty speaking. I don't know why. So I took her out, and she began to have a seizure. Not long after, she died. She began to have a seizure, and not long after that seizure, she died. Why is this so hard? And how she died. I couldn't really stand the thought of her dying, so I went to say my eyes red, snot running down my face, and I hear AJ crying and calling for her. So I went back outside and cried with him. Yeah, another loss and yet another opportunity for us to bond. Skip some months and we got 3 more budgies, Indigo, Ice, and Fang, who was later renamed Winter. Fang was later renamed Winter. AJ fell for Winter. I trained AJ, trained Winter, and that brings you to the present. I hope you enjoyed this video. And more importantly, I hope you enjoyed this story. Thanks for watching and listening. See you in the next one. Bye. Brother was given money for his birthday. He decided to buy his first birds. Apollo was his first bird. We got Apollo from Fest 2022 on May 29th. Shortly after Micah's birthday, we got AJ, which stands for Apollo Jr. Do you remember my brother named him? We got AJ and his younger brother Kiba as babies. However, AJ was basically weaned, so he only got 2 or 3 meals before he was eating on his own. Sadly, when AJ was with us a week or two, his brother died. AJ was sad and lonely, but that is what made our bond so strong. And what made AJ so strong. AJ was later paired up with Apollo, who later flew away. AJ was, for the second time, left alone. AJ was alone for a long period of time. That period of time took him to his adulthood. During that period of time, AJ and I took our bond to the next level. Though AJ was Michael's bird, he never looked at him after he was fully independent. One dark Saturday evening, Neon came into the picture, a green female baby Budgie who was shy and weak. AJ immediately took a liking to her, as he did most things. She slowly bonded with Neon and started to change her. It was incredible. The shy and weak little girl was now stepping onto my hand and eating from it. It was like having another AJ, just more fragile. After a few months, Neon began to grow weak again. Only this time, her journey from strong to weak was more rapid than her journey from weak to strong. AJ grew more and more worried each day, as I did. So I changed her diet, more vitamins, minerals, calcium, vegetables, but her want for food lessened day by day. This was going on for a while until she was found in the box. I was happy, but AJ wasn't. So I checked again, and her health was at its lowest point. So I took her out, and she began to have a seizure. Not long after she died. I couldn't stand the thought, so I went inside, eyes red, snot on my face. I then heard AJ crying and calling for her, so I went back outside and cried with him. Yet another loss, and yet another opportunity for us to bond. Skip some months, and we got 3 more budgies, Indigo, Ice, and Fang, who was later renamed Winter. AJ fell for Winter. I retrained AJ, trained Winter, and that brings you to the present. I hope you enjoyed this video, and more importantly, this story. Thanks for watching and listening. See you in the next one.